Hey everyone! Today we are going to make this stylized pumpkin. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get started. First of all, add a UV sphere. Put the segments on 8. And rings on 4 I think is great. Yeah! Go to Edit Mode. Then press S and Z to scale it a little on Z axis. Then press Shift and select these vertices and press Ctrl B. Then press V. And let's do a bevel like this. Now press X and delete faces. Now go to Edges and let's hold Ctrl and Alt and click these edges. Now hold Shift so Ctrl Alt and Shift and continue selection. Now press Ctrl B to create a bevel and increase number of cuts with the mouse wheel on time. Now let's Alt click for select these rings and then press F to fill. Now press I to insert and press S and Z to scale. Now hold Ctrl Alt Shift to select these edges. Hold Ctrl to deselect these top edges. Now just press S and scale it down. OK. Go to Object Mode and let's add Subdivision Surface on one level and then apply it. Go to Edit Mode and press A to select all and move it up to the surface. Now enable X-ray view and select all of these vertices on one side. Then press X and delete vertices. Now add Mirror modifier. Now select these two vertices and press Ctrl X. Now we'll use knife tool to carve the pumpkin, so press K to knife tool. Now start your cut. You will see it snaps. Let's continue to make our eye. Finally press Enter to confirm. Now hold Shift and select faces, then press X and delete faces. OK. Great. Press K again for the knife tool and we will create the mouth. Press Enter to confirm and select the faces and delete them. Now go to Object Mode and add another subdivision surface. We can go 3 levels of subdivision. Let's go ahead and add the Solidify modifier. Move it above the subdivision. Now just play with the thickness. OK, I guess this is fine. Go to Edit Mode and select this edge, then hold Shift S and snap cursor to select it. Now go to Object Mode and add a circle. Enable X-ray view and scale it down. Go to Edit Mode and use E to extrude. Scale it and press F to fill. Then press I to insert and again, little extrusion and make it smaller by pressing S. Press Ctrl 2 for subdivision modifier. We can make it a little bit larger and push it up. Right-click and shade smooth. Hold Shift S and snap cursor to selected. Now let's add a single vert. In edit mode, select vertex and press E to extrude it wherever you want. Also, you can select vertices and with G, grab them and make your own shape. In object mode, right-click and convert it to curve. Now play with depth. You can select vertices and press Alt-S to scale. Finally, convert it to mesh. Now select these vertices and press F to fill. Now press Ctrl 2 for subdivision modifier. You can press Ctrl R to add a loop cut and make it smoother. Nice. Now let's add a plane. Scale it up with pressing S. Now Shift A and add a camera. Place it wherever you like. Okay. Let's add an area light. Move it on the top of pumpkin. And increase the power. Now just go to render view. Put the engine on cycle and device on GPU. Let's add a spotlight. I want it for only light up on the pumpkin. You can use radius to smooth our spotlight. Okay. Select the plane and let's make it a little darker. Now select the pumpkin and go for your base color. Do it for another parts of pumpkin. Let's change our light to a little blue. And maybe do this to our plane too. Now let's add a point light. And move it to inside of pumpkin. Spooky! Shift D, and make a copy of our area light and grab it to the left side. Now let's make our world a little blue too. I think if we rotate this light on the ground is better. Yes. Great. Now go to render and render image. And just wait. And this is our spooky Halloween pumpkin. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Until the next tutorial, goodbye.